My dear students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss the next chapter under the basic concept of organic chemistry, that is under stereoisomerism. I am going to discuss geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. I am Dr. R. Gunasegaran, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. What is geometrical isomerism? How can we define? So let me define now. Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in spatial arrangement of atoms or groups around carbon-carbon double bond or carbon heteroatom double bond are called geometrical isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by these geometrical isomers is called geometrical isomerism. Please follow. Let me repeat again the definition. Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in spatial arrangement of atom or groups around carbon-carbon double bond, that means alkenes and their alkene derivatives, or carbon heteroatom double bonds, that means carbonyl compounds, are called geometrical isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by these geometrical isomers is called geometrical isomerism. Sometimes it is also known as cis-trans isomerism. Kindly follow. Let me take now a specific example I want to give under this geometrical isomerism. Sometimes it is also known as cis-trans isomerism. The common name I am giving now, maleic acid and fumaric acid. What is maleic acid? M-A-L-E-I-C, maleic acid. That means around carbon-carbon double bond, left side hydrogen and right side COOH. That means the COOH on the same side. So it is called maleic acid. Please remember M first. The sound is same. That meaning you can remember this. Maleic acid. The other case, fumaric acid, the opposite side, COH opposite, hydrogen opposite, it is fumaric acid. Kindly follow. It's a common name. The next one, the most important example is 2-butene will show cis-trans isomerism. Here, so just see the chain now. This is the 4 carbon atom. Numbering 1, 2, 3, this is 4. So between 2 and 3, there is the double bond is present. So that's why it is called 2-butene. 2-butene. So in this case, we can show cis-trans isomerism. Cis means methyl on the same side, hydrogen on the same side in cis isomerism. Whereas in trans, methyl on opposite direction, hydrogen in the opposite direction. We'll call it as trans 2-butene. Please follow. These are the 2 examples to give geometrical isomerism, that is called cis-trans isomerism. Here, for competitive point of view, one important information I want to give. Kindly follow. In the case of optical isomerism, we have discussed, I informed you, optical isomerism is possible for all types of organic compound. Optical isomerism is possible for all types of organic compound. What way I told you? Kindly follow. You take this +1. Always put hydrogen at the bottom. Left side CH2 and top CH2, CH3, and whatever functional group you write in this side. Say for example OH. So what is the long chain now? CH2, CHOH, CH2, CH2, CHOH. So this is the asymmetric carbon. So this will show optical isomerism. So alcohol will show optical isomerism. 4 different atom or groups attached. Same way, instead of OH, you can change Cl, you can give, or you can give ether, or you can give aldehyde group CHO and ketone, that is COCH3 ketones. So carboxylic acid. So any functional group you can write here in the fourth position. So kindly follow right hand side. So but only thing is you have to give IUPAC name. So optical isomerism is possible in all types. The same way here. So I am giving the condition for cis-trans isomerism. What is the condition? Number 1. The alkenes and their derivatives having the following hypothetical structure, hypothetical, imaginary, will show the cis-trans isomerism. What is that? CAB dot CAB, double dot CAB. What is double dot? Indicates double bond. So, any alkenes containing CAB pattern will show geometrical isomerism. What is A is a substituent, B is another substituent. So if it is one atom or the group are common in both carbon atom, cis-trans isomerism is possible. Same way, another possibility, CAB double dot CAC. So here A is common in both cases. So only this condition, if any alkene and the derivatives obeys, follows, and this will show cis-trans isomerism. Please follow. So let me give some important properties to determine the cis-trans isomerism. 1. Dipole moment measurement will give the cis and trans can be differentiated. Melting point is a property we can able to differentiate cis and trans. By chemical reactions, we can able to differentiate. And other method like X-ray, spectroscopy also, we can differentiate cis-trans isomerism. A simple example, let me give dipole moment. What is the dipole moment? A molecule XY having partial positive and partial negative charge is called dipole. So XY, partial positive and partial negative is called dipole. The electrical polarity of a molecule is expressed qualitatively as dipole moment. The product of the charge and the distance between two charges is called dipole moment. Please follow. What is mu is the dipole moment? Q, product of the charges or distance between the charges. So this is called dipole moment. So dipole moment, so now by measuring, that is normally will be given in the form of d by units. Now represented by d. Suppose you take now the cis 1, 2 dichloroethane and trans 1, 2 dichloroethane. You measure the dipole moment. In the case of cis, dipole moment is higher. In the case of trans, cancel each other, so almost negligible, nil. So whatever the higher dipole moment will be cis isomer. Please follow. It is moving here, it is moving here. So polarity is more, so shows higher dipole moment. But here it is coming here, the vector, it is balanced by opposite, so almost nil, 0 or 0.01 the by unit. So by measuring dipole moment, we can able to differentiate cis-trans isomerism. The same way in this case, so I told you here 1-chloropropene. Another example. Please follow 1-chloropropene. This is the propene. 1, 2, 3. So 1-chloropropene. So this is again. So here common is hydrogen is common in both atoms. So in this case cis, in this case trans. What will happen here? Please follow. in the case of cis, it is the charge vector is moving inside direction, this is going upward direction. Whereas here, moving in the same direction. So in this case, the dipole moment is high for trans than cis. So whatever dipole moment is higher will be trans isomer in this case. Unfortunately, the value I have not given here. Kindly follow. So the next, let me take the melting and boiling points. Generally, trans isomer will have higher melting and boiling point than cis isomer. For example, fumaric acid we have seen already, trans isomer melting point 287, whereas malic acid cis isomer 135 degrees centigrade. Then coming for chemical reactions, action of heat, under the cis acid, this is malic acid, when I heat with acetyl chloride in presence of that is action of heat, it forms immediately malic anhydride, whereas trans isomer will not form malic anhydride. So whatever anhydride is formed is cis, the anhydride is not formed trans. So very easily by chemical reaction we can be able to differentiate. Kindly follow, no anhydride formation in the case of trans isomer. Other methods are X-ray method and spectroscopic methods are also, we can prove this cis and trans isomer. Okay, let me concentrate now. Geometrical isomerism is also possible in cycloalkanes because in cycloalkane it is due to restricted rotation. Please follow. Because of restricted rotation this arises. So double bond, the carbon-carbon double bond, this cis trans isomerism is possible because that we cannot break the double bond. The same way here, geometrical isomerism is also possible in cycloalkane. So, let me say now, due to restricted rotation of cycloalkanes also shows cis trans isomerism. Under this I will discuss under the two types. One is symmetrical disubstituted cycloalkane. Symmetrical, same. Say for example, 1 and 2 same, 1, 2, both are methyl groups. I will say 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexanes. That is symmetrical disubstituted. Another is unsymmetrical disubstituted. I can say 1, 2. So 1 may be chlorine, 2 may be methyl. So this is unsymmetrical disubstituted cyclohexane. Please follow. Let me discuss one by one. First, let me take symmetrical disubstituted cyclohexane. I will take and I will explain. So questions will be there in IIT, AIMS and even NEET also from this. So this is the symmetrical disubstituted cyclohexane. Kindly see here, by simply cyclohexane ring I can show this is cis, this is trans. But unfortunately cyclohexane will not be this form, that will be in chair form. We have seen already in the confirmation. Chair and board form, among this chair is more stable. Kindly follow. Whatever groups away, that is above the plane, above the plane or below the plane, kindly follow, they are axial groups. Whatever group that is moving sideways, I can say, so they will call it as equatorial. Please follow. So either above or below the chair form, it is the axial. The sideways, you move, when it is moving sideways, alternatively one is moving upward, another is moving downward. See here, this is downward, this is upward. This is downward, this is upward. Please follow. So this is called equatorial. So let me take a specific example to give a clear idea. Let me take example of symmetrical disubstituted cyclohexane. Under this I can take 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. Please follow. 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. So in one methyl group, in two also methyl group. Please follow. So axial, if it is 1 and that is 2, if they are methyl groups, they are, I can say, opposite direction trans. The same way, you can go for 4 if they are 1 and 4. This is 1, this is 4, axial and axial, again opposite direction, again trans. You come for 2 and 3. In 2, kindly follow, 1 is axial, this is axial, and 3 you can see here, it is equatorial. Kindly follow. So in that case, 2 and 3, that is 2, in the case, second example, that is 1 is axial, please follow, this is axial, and 2 is equatorial. Suppose here is equatorial, this is upward, here this is also upward, so it is cis. So I will explain with the suitable example, you can understand. So let me take example, 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane, symmetrical disubstituted cyclohexane. Please follow now, 1, 2 dimethyl, this is 1 axial, this is 2 axial. So axial trans. Please follow. Axial trans, opposite direction. 1, 2. Then let me go for the second case, number 2, 1, 2. The axial is methyl, equatorial is methyl group. So this is axial, this is equatorial. In that case, it is cis. So axial, equatorial is cis because methyl above, this is 2 methyl also above. Above means cis direction, cis. Then third example, the isomer, again for that one, kindly follow. So in the third one, say 1 methyl group in the equatorial, that is equatorial, and another the methyl group in the axial. Kindly follow. So this is also called cis because the 1 methyl group coming down and the 2 methyl group also coming down, same direction, so it is cis. So kindly follow, axial equatorial or equatorial axial, nothing but same, so it is the cis isomerism. And lastly, it is 1, 2, that is here, 2, equatorial. 1 equatorial, 2 is also equatorial. That means equatorial 1 means below, 2 means above. That means opposite direction, please follow. So again, trans. So totally, how many isomerism possible? This symmetrical disubstituted 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. There are 3 isomers possible. One is axial trans. 1, 2 axial methyl groups trans. Number 2, axial equatorial or equatorial axial, both are same, identical, that is 2. And third one, equatorial trans. So in this case, true trans isomer, 1 cis isomer is possible. So there are 3 geometrical isomerism possible. Please have it in mind. Now, my dear students, here I want to give a very good idea for you to memorize. Please follow. 1, 2, 1, 4 and 1, 6 are identical condition. Please memorize. 1, 2, what you have seen? Axial trans. Just see here 1, 4, axial trans. What about 1, 2 equatorial trans? So 1, 4 also same thing, trans. Then same way, axial equatorial and equatorial axial cis. So in 1, 4 and 1, 2 identical. The same thing for 1, 6 also. Kindly follow even numbers. So here I am saying 1, 4. Kindly follow. This is 1. This is 4. Opposite trans. Axial. Then coming for here, that is 1, 4 again, 1 axial and then 2 equatorial. So this is above, so cis. And third example, kindly follow 1, 4. This is equatorial 1, equatorial 4, the axial. So again we will call it as cis isomerism. And lastly, equatorial 1, 4. So this is equatorial, this is also equatorial, opposite it is trans. Kindly follow. As in the case of 1, 2, 1, 4 identical. Same thing for 1, 6 also. Kindly follow. In 1, 6 also, axial trans, axial equatorial cis, equatorial axial cis, and equatorial trans. In all the cases, so 1, 2, 1, 4 and 1, 6 identical. So if you are able to memorize 1, 2, it is applicable to 1, 4, 1, 6. Please follow. So let me go for firstly the odd number, geometrical isomerism for odd number. Let me go. In the case of geometrical isomerism, in 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane, 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane, kindly follow. So now the just exactly opposite to that of 2, kindly follow, opposite that of 2. 1, 2, kindly follow me. This is symmetrical. 1, 2. This is again symmetrical. 1, 3. But in this case, what we have seen, axial, we told you it is trans. But see here, it is cis. Here, axial equatorial axial, we told you cis. So here it is trans. Opposite. Then equatorial, we have trans. So this is cis. So the idea I want to convey, in the case of odd numbers 1, 3 and 1, 5, the just opposite that of 1, 2. So you must memorize 1, 2 and 1, 3. Just enough you can fix the geometrical isomerism, the case of unsymmetrical. So let me explain 1, 3 and 1, 5. You follow. The first example 1, 3. See here 1, 3 axial methyl group. And in the 3 again methyl group, same upward direction cis. Kindly follow. Whereas if it is 1, 2 means it is trans, so opposite is cis. Now second case, kindly follow. 1 is axial and 3 is equatorial. Please follow, opposite trans. But in the case of 1, 2, cis. Opposite. Then third example, that is 1 is equatorial and 3 is axial. Again opposite trans. Kindly follow. And fourth one, 1 and 3 equatorial. 1 equatorial and 3 is equatorial. Same side cis. Kindly follow. So here also there are 3 isomers possible. 3 isomers possible. What are they? First one is axial 1, 3. It is possible. But we told you this is cis. The same way, equatorial also cis. Second example. 1, 2. Second example. And third is axial equatorial or equatorial axial. Kindly follow. This is kindly follow trans. So identical, they are identical. So in this case, 2 cis isomers, 1 trans isomer is possible in the case of 1, 3 disubstitute, dimethyl cyclohexane. Please follow. Just opposite to that of 1, 2. I told you 1, 3 will be identical with 1, 5. Let me explain now. Just kindly follow. In this case, geometrical isomerism in 1, 5 dimethyl cyclohexane. Just see here. The interesting point here it is, follow, again 3 isomers possible. What way? 1, 5. Kindly follow, this is 1 position, this is the 5 position. So 1, 3, 1, 5 identical I told. So axial cis, axial equatorial trans, equatorial axial trans, these two are identical, equatorial cis. So let me take a specific example, symmetrical methyl group, just see. This is 1, this is 5, see methyl group, axial, cis isomerism, 1, 5, just like 1, 3. So 1, 3 means here is CH3, so 1, 5 means here that is same, cis isomerism, identical. The number 2, 1 is axial methyl group and 5 is equatorial. One is above, another is below. It is trans isomer. Second, now third case, kindly follow. This is third one. 1 is equatorial and this is 5 is the axial opposite trans. So the second and third are identical. Trans isomers are identical. So we will keep to at least 1 isomer possible. And lastly, equatorial. So 1, that is in the case of 1 equatorial methyl group and 5 equatorial below, moving below, it is cis. So there are totally 3 isomers are possible. In this case, 3 isomers are possible. Out of these, that is we can think of cis isomerism, 2 cis isomers and 1 trans isomer is possible. So totally in dimethyl, that is 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane, only 3 isomers are possible. Kindly follow. So let me conclude now. Please follow. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6 identical, 1, 3, 1, 5 identical. Please follow. And same way, these two are just opposite. So if you memorize 1, 2, you can easily write opposite 1, 3. Then you can write the 1, 2 for 1, 4, 1, 6. Same way 1, 3 you can write for 1, 5. Kindly follow. I hope we have discussed the symmetrical unsubstituted, that is the symmetrically disubstituted cyclohexane. In this case, 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. I have explained here. And the important information here, my dear students, just listen me. When you are looking my channel, Neat Chemistry by Dr. R. Gunasekaran, please remember you are coming first time, kindly click, share with the friends and press the subscribe button in the YouTube. So YouTube channel is purely you can use for, that is poor people they can use, because we are giving entire solution, that is the chapters. After that I will also discuss question papers. So you need not go for tuition. Okay. I'm having another important information for those students who are studying +2 and after studying that is repeaters, we'll call it as waiting for writing and NEET entrance examination of Government of India. For you, I have 3 important informations. First, all our students who are looking for you, kindly visit our vetri.us site. Vetri.us site. View our achievement for the last 20 years. Vetri Coaching Center, our coaching center, is functioning in Pondicherry since 1999 up to this. And every year we are sending 15 to 20 students to JIPMAR and 150 to 200 students to all medical colleges. And also another important achievement, in 2003, R. Srinivasa Raghavan came first rank, all India, that is, he had taken first rank, all India first rank in JIPMAR. This is a very, very important achievement. And every year, 1 or 2 students are going the all India rank. All the informations are in the home page, you can view. Now, I want to give 3 important features of Vetty.us, our website. Website given by Vetty Coaching Center. Kindly follow. Number 1, we are giving 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. Kindly follow. 200 unit test, 200 video lesson we are giving. When the 200 video lessons are taken by professors with a doctoral degree, 20 to 30 years of experience of handling BSc, MSc as well as +1, +2 students. Please follow. The highly efficient and experienced teachers. And when you are looking the lessons, kindly follow in the video. You can stop anywhere, anytime you can stop and note the formula, definition, derivation, everything you can note. And then after that, if you click, it will move. It is provided such a way to use students, we have framed such a way that. The another most important feature is the unit test. We are giving 200 unit tests for the 4 subjects. That means for each subject, 1 unit will have two tests, unit tests. For example, basic concept of chemistry. Basic concept of chemistry, if you take for example, first unit in +1, it will have 2 tests. Test 1, test 2 of 45 questions each will be there. So what will happen now actually, first 1 to the 30 will go for complete the entire syllabus, and again starting from the 1 to 30, so that you will get all the unit will have 2 tests each. Okay. Now what is the importance of the Vetty.us? The most important information is all the questions that are given in the unit test are taken from IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MCET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, question papers from 1980 to 2015 we have taken. And also we have given for the last 5 years of NEET question paper also we have given separately in our site. Please follow. So you can ask me, what is the advantage of this? We have observed for the last 6 years, from our question bank in Vetty.us, 75 to 80 questions are same questions repeated. That means our Vetty.us give you 300 plus mark to you. You are getting 300 plus mark from Vetty.us. And if you are a hard work and sincere student, you can get 300 plus, so you can get 600 plus out of 720. Automatically, you will become the All India rank, you will become a doctor. This is the credit of Vetty.us. Please follow. That is the first important feature of Vetty.us. The second most important is the way in which you can handle the test. And you can see, view your answer is correct or wrong. Here it is facility we can. So let me explain now. Suppose when you are attending a test, if you click attempt, immediately it will ask a question. Are you ready? In the window, what the information will be there. So this unit contains 45 questions. Each question carry 4 marks. For correct answer, 4 marks will be awarded. For wrong answer, -1 will be given. -1 mark will be awarded. Are you ready? So now what you have to do? Click OK. So when you click OK, immediately what will happen? Question 1 will open. You can see the question. See question, and option will be there. A, B, C, D option. And below there are 3 menus are there. Below there are 3 menus. Center one complete. And right one will say reverse. That is, this is called next, N-E-X-T, next question. And this one is reverse. Kindly follow. So center complete, right side next, left side review. Please follow. So what will happen now? By seeing this, what you have to do now? So if you click A answer, kindly follow. Below these 3 menu, there is again another window. That is 1 to 45 number will be there. It will be in yellow color. So if you click A is the correct answer, immediately number one will become green color. From yellow to green it will change. Automatically green change. Number 2 will be blue color, all other will be yellow color. So what do you have to do next? You can click next answer, click next answer, going on up to 45 questions. Suppose if it is, you are attending for All India NEET entrance examination, there will be 200 questions. So the same procedure you have to follow. But here, what is the advantage we have given? When you are attending, you can see from the 1 to 45 questions, how many questions you have attended, how many questions not attended, you can see directly. That means green color, it shows it is attended. Yellow shows, yellow and blue color shows you have not attended. So, easily you can identify. So after finishing all the 45 questions, what you have to do? So here I will give one more information. How to you must follow? First, you have to follow 3 steps. First step, answer all correct questions. Answer all correct questions. Known questions. Go 1 to 45. Then answer any difficult question, theory questions. Think twice, thrice. And if you feel it is 80% correct, then please tick. Otherwise, don't click anything. Then third, you can go for the problems, work out the problems. And if the answer you are getting in the problem is identical with the answers in the option, then click. Otherwise, not click. So it is the most important. It is not necessary to answer all the questions. Only known question you have to answer. Because otherwise you will lose marks, negative marks. So after finishing the test, now you click complete. Immediately a screen will open. What you can see in the screen now, you will get your marks what of 180. Suppose you are getting 140, you can see the marks. Let us assume 140. You have obtained. So what about remaining 40? Whether it is how it has lost. You want to verify. Now only you can see here, next to the mark there is a menu called review. So if you press review, question 1 open. Please follow. Question 1 will be there. Option A, option B, option C, option D will be there. And below that, correct answer here. And this is the video solution. Video solution will be there. So what is important, guys? When you click review, question 1 open. Suppose if you have had answered A as the correct answer, but the correct answer is D. So here correct answer will be given as a D, and your answer will be in blue color. Please follow. Blue color. That shows your answer is wrong. So you can able to identify which question you have done mistake. This facility is not available any online coaching in India. Please go and verify. We are the only coaching center having this website, having this benefit. The another most important benefit is kindly follow. I told you already. The test you can see when you are writing, you can see, identify. The review is the most important. And third important is suppose your answer and correct answer is different. That means you have no idea. So just click the video below. That is solution video. Video will run. That means professor will take class explaining, taking nearly 10 to 15 minutes he will take to explain the question, options, definition, formula, and explanation, any diagram, everything will be discussed like lesson. So this facility again not available in any online coaching, only available in Betty Daughters. This is the second most important characteristic feature of Betty Daughters. The third most important is low cost. Why low cost? I am saying all Indians are very poor people. So what they